A tiny $12 part once turned a perfectly running car into a $6,500 engine disaster. And the owner did everything right, except trusting the word lifetime. Lifetime means the warranty period, not the years you plan to keep your car. Today, we're exposing 9 so-called lifetime car parts that quietly fail and can destroy your engine if ignored. And number 7? It contaminates critical systems every time you drive, without warning. Let's save your engine before your wallet pays the price. Number 1. Transmission fluid. Lifetime transmission fluid sounds reassuring until that so-called lifetime ends with a $4,000 repair bill. And I see this exact situation play out in the shop far more often than most drivers would imagine. A customer once came in complaining his car hesitated before moving. 2 weeks later, the transmission failed completely, leading to a $4,200 repair. After diagnosis, I found out that the cause was the so-called lifetime transmission fluid that had never been changed. Transmission fluid lubricates gears, cools internal parts, and controls hydraulic pressure, so your car shifts smoothly. Manufacturers began labeling many transmissions as sealed for life to make ownership seem maintenance-free. But in reality, fluid still breaks down due to heat and friction, regardless of the label. As miles pile on, lubrication weakens, and metal particles build up inside. Valve bodies clog, gears slip, and shifts become rough or delayed. Drivers often notice hesitation when shifting into drive or jerky gear changes. They assume it's normal aging, so they keep driving. The truth is, lifetime usually means warranty life, not the life of the car you plan to keep. That's why experts recommend replacing transmission fluid every 40,000 to 60,000 miles, even in sealed systems. If shifting feels delayed or rough, have the fluid checked. Many shops can now safely service sealed transmissions. A simple fluid service costs far less than a rebuild that can exceed $4,000. And speaking of lifetime parts, drivers trust too much. Wait until you see what happens when fuel flow slowly gets restricted next. Number 2. Fuel filter. Another lifetime part. Most drivers never think about, it quietly clogs for years, until your car suddenly loses power when you need it most. And this is exactly the kind of problem that creeps in slowly, giving almost no warning until performance suddenly drops. One SUV owner complained his car felt weak on the highway. Eventually, it stalled completely. Diagnosis? A clogged fuel filter overworked the fuel pump, leading to a $1,200 repair. All because the filter was labeled lifetime and never serviced. The fuel filter's job is simple: stop dirt and debris before they reach the injectors and damage the engine. But many modern vehicles hide the filter inside the fuel pump assembly, and they convince owners that it never needs attention. The reality is, fuel tanks slowly collect debris over time, whether it is in the fuel pump or outside. Sediment clogs the filter, fuel flow drops, and the engine begins running lean. Temperatures rise, valves risk damage, and the fuel pump works harder until it eventually fails. Drivers often feel hesitation at highway speeds, hard starting, or weak acceleration, but they blame bad fuel or old spark plugs instead of restricted fuel flow. If your vehicle has a replaceable filter, change it every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. For sealed systems, monitor fuel pressure and performance. If your car struggles under load, scan the fuel trim data with an OBD2 scanner to catch issues early. Preventive maintenance is far cheaper than replacing a failed fuel pump. And speaking of parts drivers forget about, the next tiny component quietly causes oil leaks all over your engine. Number 3. PCV valve. If your engine suddenly starts leaking oil from multiple places, don't blame age or expensive engine wear. Blame this tiny lifetime part nobody remembers to replace. This problem typically develops gradually, with small warning signs that drivers often overlook. I've seen engines dripping oil from multiple places, and the real cause wasn't a major failure, just a clogged PCV valve that had never been replaced because it was assumed to last forever. The PCV valve controls engine pressure by routing harmful gases back into the intake manifold for reburning. Manufacturers rarely list it as a service item, so most drivers never think about it. But over time, oil vapors and sludge clog the valve. Pressure builds up inside the engine, forcing oil past seals and gaskets. Suddenly, drivers notice oil leaks, rising oil consumption, rough idle, or even smoke from the exhaust. Many assume the engine is simply getting old. But often the problem starts with this tiny, neglected component. In reality, the PCV valve should be replaced every 30,000 to 50,000 miles to prevent expensive leaks and engine issues. To check it, remove the valve and shake it. If it doesn't rattle, it's likely clogged. Also, check for fresh oil leaks around the valve cover. Replacing this small part costs much less than repairing multiple leaking seals. And coming up next, we're looking at another lifetime component that can disrupt your engine timing without warning. Number 4. Timing chain tensioner. Many drivers believe timing chains last forever, until strange engine noises suddenly turn into a complete engine failure. This typically begins with a small warning sound that most drivers initially ignore. A driver brought in his car after hearing a rattling sound at startup every morning. He ignored it for months. Then one day, the engine suddenly died while driving. After diagnosis, I found that the timing chain tensioner failed. The timing chain jumped, and the engine required a full rebuild. The timing chain keeps valves and pistons moving in perfect sync, while the tensioner keeps the chain tight. Since chains replace timing belts, many manufacturers marketed them as lifetime parts, making owners believe they never need attention. But plastic guides wear down, tensioners weaken, and the chain slackens over time. Early signs often appear as rattling noises during cold starts, which many drivers dismiss as harmless. Once slack becomes severe, timing shifts and valves collide with pistons, and catastrophic engine damage follows. Experts recommend inspecting or replacing the engine at around 100,000 to 150,000 miles, especially if startup rattles appear. Listen carefully during cold starts and scan for camshaft or crankshaft timing correlation codes if the check engine light appears. Fixing timing issues early costs far less than rebuilding an engine. Before we move on, here's a quick question. Have you noticed any of these warning signs in your own car yet? Drop a comment below with the issue you've experienced or your vehicle's mileage. Next, we're exposing a lifetime fluid that slowly becomes acidic and can quietly destroy your cooling system from the inside. Number 5. Engine coolant, the lifetime myth. Many drivers feel confident using coolant labeled lifetime until their engine suddenly overheats without warning. In most cases, the issue builds quietly within the cooling system long before drivers notice anything wrong. A driver once replaced a radiator, a water pump, and, eventually, a head gasket, all because coolant that was supposed to last forever was never changed. Coolant's job is not just to prevent overheating. It also protects the engine and cooling system from corrosion. Over time, heat breaks down the protective additives in the fluid. Once those additives fail, coolant becomes acidic and begins attacking metal parts from the inside. Radiators corrode, heater cores clog, and water pump seals start leaking. Many drivers notice nothing at first because coolant levels look normal. Then, one hot day, especially in traffic, the engine suddenly overheats. Manufacturers sometimes claim coolant lasts over 100,000 miles, but real-world driving conditions shorten that life. Most experts recommend replacing coolant every 5 years, or between 50,000 and 100,000 miles. Healthy coolant looks bright and clean. Brown or rusty coolant means protection is gone. Test strips are inexpensive and quickly reveal coolant condition. A coolant service costs much less than repairing overheating damage or replacing a head gasket. And while overheating is dangerous, the next so-called lifetime part can shut down multiple systems instantly without warning. Number 6. Serpentine belt. Most drivers never think about the serpentine belt until it suddenly fails, causing multiple systems to stop working simultaneously. And when it happens, it usually catches drivers completely off guard, because there were only small warning signs beforehand. I've seen drivers shocked when their steering became heavy, warning lights appeared, and the engine temperature shot up within minutes. The cause was simply a worn serpentine belt that failed without warning. This belt drives critical components like the alternator, water pump, power steering pump, and air conditioning compressor. Manufacturers improved belt materials over the years. So many drivers assume they last forever. But heat, age, and constant engine movement slowly weaken the rubber. Cracks form, edges fray, and the belt can suddenly break. When that happens, the alternator stops charging. Power steering assistance disappears, and the water pump stops circulating coolant, leading to rapid overheat. Inspect belts because failure often happens suddenly, leaving them stranded. Experts recommend replacing serpentine belts every 60,000 to 90,000 miles to avoid surprise breakdowns. Look for cracks, shiny glazed surfaces, or fraying along the edges. Belt inspections take only seconds and can prevent major trouble. Replacing a belt is less expensive than overheating repairs or roadside towing. Next comes a fluid that almost nobody replaces, yet it quietly damages expensive systems every time you drive. Number 7. Brake fluid. The silent contaminator. Many drivers focus on pads and rotors, but almost never think about the fluid that actually makes the brakes work. Because there are usually no obvious warning signs, this problem builds quietly until braking performance begins to change. One driver came in after his ABS warning light appeared, and braking felt inconsistent. The inspection revealed severe internal corrosion in the ABS module and brake lines, resulting in a repair bill exceeding $1,500, all because brake fluid had never been replaced. Brake fluid transfers pressure when you press the pedal, allowing your car to stop safely. But unlike many fluids, brake fluid naturally absorbs moisture from the air over time, even in sealed systems. As water content increases, internal components begin corroding. ABS modules, calipers, and brake lines slowly rust from the inside. Drivers typically don't notice issues until braking performance declines or warning lights appear. Because replacement is rarely emphasized, many drivers assume the fluid lasts forever. Experts recommend replacing brake fluid every 2 to 3 years to protect braking performance and prevent costly damage. Check fluid color. Dark fluid usually signals contamination. Affordable brake fluid testers can also quickly measure moisture levels. Replacing fluid costs less than repairing ABS systems or brake components. While drivers regularly change engine oil, another overlooked component slowly restricts engine airflow without them realizing it. Number 8. Intake manifold carbon buildup. Your engine might feel weaker today than when it was new. Not because it's worn out, because airflow is slowly being choked inside without most drivers realizing it. Many drivers report a rough idle, hesitation, or loss of power. Yet routine servicing reveals no obvious issues. The hidden issue is often a heavy carbon buildup in the intake manifold. The intake manifold distributes air evenly to each cylinder, ensuring combustion remains balanced. Since it's considered a non-serviceable component, manufacturers rarely mention cleaning it, so most drivers assume it lasts forever. However, modern engines, especially direct injection models, can accumulate carbon deposits over time. That buildup restricts airflow, causing misfires, sluggish acceleration, poor fuel economy, and vibration at idle. Drivers often think their car is simply aging, but airflow restriction quietly robs performance long before major damage appears. Experts recommend intake cleaning every 60,000 to 80,000 miles. Walnut blasting is one of the most effective cleaning methods. Persistent hesitation, a rough idle, or recurring misfire codes often indicate airflow restriction that requires professional cleaning. Restoring proper airflow often makes an older engine feel young again without major repairs. Next is the emissions component, which can quietly lead to overheating and severe engine damage if ignored. Number 9. EGR valve and cooler. Some engines end up overheating or even hydrolocking, and drivers never suspect the real cause. A small emissions component that has been slowly clogging for years. One driver came in complaining of rough, idle, and weak acceleration. Soon after, coolant started disappearing with no visible leaks. Inspection revealed an internal leak in the EGR cooler, a problem that eventually risked severe engine damage. The EGR system recirculates a portion of exhaust gases back into the engine to lower combustion temperatures and reduce emissions. Since it's part of the emissions system, many manufacturers don't list it as a regular service item, so drivers assume it lasts forever. But over time, carbon buildup clogs EGR passages and coolers. Exhaust flow becomes restricted, combustion temperatures rise, and engines begin overheating or running poorly. In some cases, cooler failures allow coolant into the intake, risking hydrolock and serious engine damage. Drivers often notice rough idle, poor acceleration, or a persistent check engine light long before serious failure occurs. Experts recommend cleaning or servicing EGR systems every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, especially on direct injection engines prone to buildup. If acceleration feels weak or idle becomes rough, scanning for EGR-related trouble codes can catch problems early. Ignoring early symptoms can turn a small service job into a major engine repair. Before your next weekend drive, take 5 minutes, pop the hood, and look at the parts most drivers never think about. Because engines rarely fail suddenly. They fail slowly while we ignore the warning signs. Check at least 3 of the items we covered today and tell us in the comments which one you're inspecting first. Subscribe now, because the tip in our next video could be the one that saves you thousands in repairs.